How to fix a Range Rover 2005 HSE where the radio light is blinking. First, undo the cover. Then, right at the top, you'll see your little Nokia thing. I've already fixed it, but you'll take the Nokia out, and on top of the Nokia, show it to you right here. You see those little blue tabs? There's a blue tab on either side. You push the smaller blue tab forward so that it pops up. You might have to wiggle it a little bit to get it all the way up. It will then release each of these. Then it's simple. You take a paper straw or a straw, whatever straw you want. Just a plain straw that you get at a store. Cut it off about 1.5 to 2 inches. Slide either edge in till they meet in the middle, and that's it. Then it'll bypass the Nokia, and the two infrareds will match, and your radio will be back on.